Hey guys, it's Petra here from BigIncomeParadise.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a logo for free. It's going to be simple, it's going to be easy, and you will love it. Okay, so I know some of you are on a tight budget, so you can't afford to invest in a logo, right? So it's all good because here's a tool that you can use to make yourself a great logo. Okay, so I'm going to show you, by the way, the link to this site is going to be down below, so you just click on it and start making your own logo. But I'm going to show you how to use this site and you'll see how easy it is. So the first thing, you're going to see an example logo. If you love it, you can just use this. If you don't, you can go under Add Symbols, and you can choose a symbol. As you can see, there's so many symbols. As you can see, there's a ton of symbols that you can use. There are also shapes. If you want to add shapes to your logo, you can also make business cards and upload an image if you want, but we're just gonna focus on this for right now. So you can add a text. So we're gonna delete this text. And we're just gonna say we love this, but we want to change the colors. So you just click on different areas in the logo. So if you want to change this, just click on the outline, go here, click here, and change the color. Okay, or if you have your own branded colors, so you know, if you're branding yourself the right way, you should have up to 4 different colors that you usually use. For example, this is mine. Obviously, it's pink, right? Or the other one that I use is this one, okay? So let's say I want to brand my brand the right way. So this is gonna be white, and this is gonna be obviously pink, okay? Now, you can change the text here. So in my case, it's Big Income Paradise. I can make it smaller, bigger, make a different font if you want this, or I don't know, let's say this one. You make it smaller because you don't want, you know, a big logo. And you can change the color. Again, you go here, change the color, let's say to this one, and voila, that's it. Let's just put it above here, and that's it. Let's say you really love it. Now what? You just click here, save and download, and you put your email in. You save and continue. Don't worry, they're not, you know, they're not spamming your email and stuff like that. And when you are gonna get an email, this is what you'll get. Not just one picture, but you're gonna get a picture of your logo with transparent background, and as you can see, many different files. So that's actually all. See how simple it is? So yeah, the link is down below. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.